With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. So here we have the question. The mean free path of collision of gas molecules varies with its diameter of the molecule as. Options are given. So our solution will be as we know that mean free path is equals to K into temperature, Boltzmann constant into temperature divided by under root 2 into number of molecules into pi d, that is diameter of the molecule square. So this is the formula for mean free path. From this formula we can clearly see that mean free path is inversely proportional with diameter. We have to see the relation between the mean free path and the diameter. So it is inversely proportional with the square of the diameter of the molecule. So we can say that correct option will be option number 2, that is d to the power minus 2, as it is inversely proportional with the square of the diameter of the molecule. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.